Okay, thanks again for the fill, ladies and gentlemen. This is thanks again for the we're good, Cleveland. We're all set. Thanks again for the fill. This is Flawless Soccer. Pick your team. Break number 49. Number 49 on Flawless Soccer. We got the random to fill it, and here we go. We're gonna roll the dice, and then we're gonna roll the dice, and then we're gonna go from there. Let's roll it. 6 times. We're going 6 times, everyone. 6 times. Good luck, buena suerte, and here we go. 6 times. We got Anarita for 2, Claudio for 1, Mon for 1, Amsterdam for 1, Pine Tar for 1, Cleveland for 2, Gator Box Breaks, and Micah. And we are going again 6 times. Good luck. 1, 2. Let's double check something here. 3, 4, 5, and 6th and final. Good luck, good luck. 6. Cleveland breaks. Pine Tar, Amsterdam, Claudio, Micah. So. Wow. Sorry, Anna. Jeez. Wow. Sorry. Anarita, Cleveland breaks. Anarita, and sorry, Gator. Jeez. That was kind of brutal for Anna. That was not nice to Anna. Sorry, Anna. I better pull you something sick from the rest of your teams. All right. Cleveland, you are up. Sorry to Anna and Gator. Mon, I guess, not so bad, but Cleveland, you're up first. Portugal, Italy is 129, Portugal 109, Spain 99, Netherlands 95. Those are the prices. You're welcome to choose any of them that you like. Italy, you got it. All right, Pine Tar, Portugal. Pine Tar. After Pine Tar, Amsterdam. Netherlands. Yeah, that was an easy choice there for Amsterdam. Netherlands. That's going to J. Amsterdam. Claudio, Spain. All right, those good teams are gone, guys. Sorry, we're down to the not so good teams. Galatasaray or below Micah. Whatever the next high, Galatasaray would go to you, Micah. Actually, could hit. They have not hit in the first box, and they hit pretty regularly. Mon, you're up. Switzerland, Chile, Zenit, Bosnia, or Cameroon. This was the not so good part of the random. I think Mon is offering to pay you and give you his spot for Portugal. Whoever has Portugal. Who has Portugal? Pine Tar. Which little team hit in the last box? I don't think any of those little teams hit in the last box. None of them. Chile didn't hit. Nobody hit. Oh, which little team hit? They're actually. I don't think any. PSG hit. That was it. That was the only little team to hit. Big hit was Baggio, 4 of 10 autographed, and the Iker Casillas 1 of 1 black 666 patch auto. Chile for Mon.
non-basketball case, guys. Get 5 silverbacks, first 5. Stephen Ridley, Larry Fitz, Matthew Stafford, Ryan Whalen to 100, Matt House. Nice Torrey Smith 3-color RPA. He was the
He'll keep it. Who else is next? Anarita, you're up after Mon. Wait a minute. Man picked Chile, so Anarita, and then Cleveland, and then Anarita. Sorry, Anarita. Swiss, Zenit, Bosnia, or Cameroon? Swiss for Anarita.
Cameron Hayward.
Thank you, Anna. Cleveland. Swiss are gone, Cleveland. You're up again.
That was what's his name?
Zenit.
Akeem Ayers. Throw your hands in the air.
Zenit's gone to Cleveland.
For the Raiders.
Bosnia or Cameroon? Bosnia or Cameroon for Anna takes Bosnia. And Cameroon goes to Gator. You got yourself Cameroon. Sorry, buddy. That wasn't great, but. Alright, there we go. Does it for that one. Let me do something here to help, because last time we did not do this last night and we could see all the hits. So I'm going to do this. And I'm going to move this up like that. So we cannot see the hits. Right. We are recording all this, right? Yes, we are recording. All right, here we go, guys. Here are the teams. Here are the teams, and then after this, we'll do the 3 packs. Number 49. This is Flawless Soccer break number 49. AC Milan Antonio, Ajax Dominic, Argentina Marek, Daniel Atletico, Belgium J, Amsterdam, Rene Borussia Dortmund, Anarita Bosnia, Marek Brazil, Gator Box break Cameroon, Mon Chile, Jordan has Colombia, Mauro Croatia, Mark England, Chevy Barcelona, Bayern is Cleveland, Cleveland also has Zenit, Hugo has France, Galatasaray is Micah, Javier has Germany, Cleveland breaks is Italy, Ali Mac is the Ivory Coast, Mexico, damn. Who bought Mexico? I forgot to write your name down. Whoever bought Mexico. Help me out, guys. Is whoever bought Mexico in here?
For the Packers, 25. And for the Titans, Chris Johnson.
Anybody remember who bought Mexico? Wow, that's not good. I forgot to write it down. Usually do not do that.
Yeah, I think it is. No, because they're not to $2.99. Leonard Hankins.
Chico. All right, I'll have to figure that out. All right, I'll go back and check payments and I'll figure it out. Whoever paid for Mexico, rest assured that we'll figure it out and I will send you your hits. I'll go back and check PayPal and figure out who it was. Netherlands, Jay, Amsterdam, Paris Saint-Germain, Claudio, Poland, Marek, Pintar, Corey, JT Sports, Real Madrid, Serbia, Alimac, Claudio, Spain, Anarita, Switzerland, Chris Traska, USA, and Anarita, Uruguay. There we go. Anyway, I think I might have screwed up and actually not sold Mexico, but I'll check payments. And anyway, too late now. Nobody had Mexico. I'll keep them, but I'll figure that out. Yeah, because I think last box someone bought Mexico. I don't remember. We'll figure it out. I'll look at the payments and it should be a $44 payment or a $29 payment in there. All right, let's hope for something absolutely nasty. I want to see some serious nastiness coming up in here. Serious.
Yes, doopity doopity doopity.
Serious nastiness coming up in this box. Whoa, there was a sticker missing on this side, but there was a sticker on that side. One missing sticker. Yeah, you had Mexico in 48. I know that. I know that, Corey. I think what happened was since you bought Mexico in 48, right? Just in that one, not in both. And I think I forgot to put them back up for sale.
Check out my prime. Two-color Dexter in the cluster.
But I'll try to figure it out. All right, here we go, guys. Good luck, good luck.
And the last box of plates and patches in ignition.
Oh, wow. Wow, I am definitely jealous of that top card. Definitely jealous of that top card. Very jealous of that top card. Did I say I'm jealous of that top card? Did I say that already? All right, first card.
Wow.
How about my brother from another mother, Didier Drogba, green, 4/5, sickness for Alex, Mac. Alex, you awake, buddy? You still awake? If not, that'll wake you up. That'll wake him up right there. Set complete. All right. There is Didier Drogba, 4/5, green parallel, sickness. Very nice hit. Very, very nice hit. Congratulations to Alex.
Chris Harris for the Broncos. Rookie auto.
It's number 49.
And Mark Sanchez, relic. And the highest overpaid person in the world, Von Miller.
Next up,
He's already disputing his contract.
Argentina, 21/25. Mario Kempes. Mario Kempes, 21/25. Who's got Argentina in this one? That is Marek. Marek has Argentina. Congratulations to Marek. Marek. Next one going to. Alright, well, he keeps grabbing them. They hit. How about 10/17, sickness for England, Daniel Sturridge. Daniel Sturridge of England. Daniel Sturridge, sickness for England. I think this will fit in a 180, will it? No, not going to fit in a 180. We're going to have to go in the 240. England, Mark. You know what? That top loader is defective. I'm going to get rid of those. I'll take this one here.
All right. Here we go.
Mark, there you go. Finally, England was going to get skunked. They got skunked, I think, yesterday, and it's like they cannot get skunked twice in a row. There you go. Next up, we have 5/15 for Germany, it looks like. That is Germany. Philip Lahm. 5/15, Philip Lahm. Germany is Javier, I believe. Yes, it is. Go Javier. Yeah, I know you wanted a Beckenbauer, but no, it's a long. Still could be a Beckenbauer inside the box. You never know. Deutschland, 5 of 15. Philip Lahm, captain. All right, now we've got a 7 of 10. Kevin Miralas, I guess he signed whatever it is, so it's like the auto inside the sole of the game. I guess that's supposed to be his shoe. It looks like a jersey to me, but we'll take their word for it. 7 of 10. Belgium. Who's got Belgium? That is Jay Amsterdam. Sorry, damn, Nordy had him last time and got the wrong box for Nordy. There you go, Jay. Amsterdam remains hot. Hits in last break. Hits in this break. All right. This is going to Jay, right? Amsterdam. Number 49. All right, next one. Who has? Oh, geez. I mean, it's not anything amazing, but dude, at least it's a freaking hit. Nice patches though. 3 of 5. Danny Alves and Gerard Piqué sickness for Barcelona. Going to my brother from another mother, Chevy. So I called his name, thank God. If I didn't call his name, I was gonna. Hopefully, there'll be something inside the box for you too, there, Chevy. I hope. Let's see who grabbed this team here. Can I write that one down? Yep, I did. This one is gonna be Chevy. Chevy number 49. Where is... Yeah, I haven't seen Sook around lately at all. I don't know where he's been. 3 of 5. George has been doing a lot of soccer, but yeah, I think he's taking a little break. Here we go. Andrea Pirlo, 6 of 10 for Italy. Very nice. Andrea Pirlo, 2-color, 3-color if you count all those dots. You can see that, but there we go. See, it's got a lot of dots in there, so it's like the blue, the white, and the gray from the dots. Italy. Cleveland breaks. There you go. Cleveland on the board. Congrats, man. Nice hit. Very nice hit for Italy. Andrea Pirlo. Finally, Cleveland says it's about flipping time, huh? Cleveland breaks. That is AFC something. The number to 49. Cleveland breaks. There you go. 6 of 20. All right. You know where we're going, guys? We are going inside the box. Inside the box. First. Oh, somebody's going to be so happy. How about a little Paul Pogba for France? Hugo, there you go, buddy. I'm going to have to send you a picture of that, baby. I'm going to have to set that aside for, I think Hugo just grabbed France, right? Wasn't that France? Hugo, Clarkman in here? I know, I'm going to have to shoot him a picture of that one. This case two. This case two, Marvin. Unless you guys want me to go grab another case, but it's kind of late here in the East Coast at least. I have to be out of here in 2.5 hours. So that is Clarkman. So that is Hugo.
Yeah, the Doug Baldwin to be right. Doug Baldwin's rookie. There's another Bruce Irvin. It's really yeah. This one's supposed to be full.
All right, next hit. For the Netherlands, Patrick Kluivert, 1 of 5. 1 of 5. Emerald for the Dutch. Who had the Dutch? There you go. Jay and Amsterdam on the board with a little Patrick Kluivert love. 1 of 5. Emerald.
So I think there's just one left, guys.
Amsterdam, you did all right. Did all right. At least you hit in both breaks. Hit very well in the first one.
Pretty sure.
All right. All comes down to that last autograph. Who is it going to be? Who is it going to be? I do not know, but we shall find out in a second. Sir Bobby Charlton, 15 of 25. Sir Bobby Charlton of England. That is Mark. Again, been bereft of the big hits the last two nights on these GTS cases here at the Nationals. Hopefully we've saved the big case, I guess, for the Panini booth. Shall see. This one is going to Mark. It went pretty good. We hit a really nasty dual Bale and Roberto Carlos autograph. That was the big hit. It went really nice. The tape is up, Dave, if you want to watch it. And we interviewed one of the soccer guys from Topps. His name was Matthew. Very nice guy. It was good. Made a good connection with him. You guys be surprised how many. I swear, in the next 5 months, guys, there's like 8 soccer products coming out from what these guys are telling me. I was like, whoa, that's just like crazy. Or no, not 8, 7, 6 or 7 soccer products. 2 EPL products, Noir, Spectra, Donruss, another one I'm forgetting. Anyway, a lot of soccer products coming out over the next couple of months. All right, guys, let's do a quick recap. That does it for that. Grab the little gem car thing. All right, here we go. Give me a second, guys. Right after we're done here, I will do the silver packs. You guys will see how it works. 7 of 10, Kevin Murlos. That goes to Jay and Amsterdam. Jay and Amsterdam. Wow, and Jay and Amsterdam also had the Netherlands. Jay, you did all right. You had Netherlands and you had Belgium. Both of your teams hit. 1 of 5, Kluivert, and 7 of 10, Miralos. And then we had the other, that's pretty sick, 3 of 5, Alves and Piqué for Chevy. Then our other gem was for Hugo, 4 of 20 for Pogba. Then our autographs, we had for Javier in Germany, Philip Lahm, 5 of 15. We had for Marek and Argentina, 21 of 25, Mario Kempes. We had for England, well, actually, let's wait on that. Andrea Pirlo, 6 of 20, Cleveland breaks for Italy. Then we had this nasty 4 of 5, Ali Mac, Didier Drogba, green. And then for England, finally had a good box. 10 of 17 and 15 of 25, Daniel Sturridge and Bobby Charlton. Both of those going to Mark A. All right, guys, that does it for that. Let me end the tape on this, and then we will get to the bonus packs that are just redemption packs that we have from Panini that I will